This video tutorial will show you how to create a project using CoreJD. To begin, log into your account. From the dashboard, click on My Projects. As you can see here, we currently have no records to display. So I'll come over to the right-hand side of my screen and click on Add New Project. Now this screen will prompt you for certain project details, all of which can be edited at a later point. All except for the national list of plant species that occur in wetlands, 1988 or the 1996 list. Information on these lists can be found from these links. So I'll go ahead and enter in my project name and a short description. I do note that you must have a package purchased before you can come here and create a project. So as you can see here, I currently have 3 packages available, 1 package 1 and 2 package 3s. I will choose one of my package 3s and scroll down. Now, as you can see here, I've also filled out my client company information as well as my wetland delineation company information. Now, as was stated, this information can be edited later, but I've simply put in some dummy data here so we can see how it populates throughout the application. You may also choose to add your logo here, which will populate onto your printed maps. And so once you've filled out all the fields you wish to fill out, of course only the project name and these 2 other fields here are required to start, I will come down and click on Submit. Again, I am reminded that I cannot change my plant list later, so I say OK. And now I have successfully created my project. Now to access this project, I simply click the radio button here next to the project name, and then I get a list of versions. By default, I only have one version for this project, so I click on this radio button for the version. Now that I have both a project and a version selected, I can choose to go to the data forms, the map editor, or the report generator. And that wraps up how to create your project using CoreJD.